people of Khorlim and the surrounding areas are rightly concerned that Syngenta is now sought to be taken over by a Deccan Fine Chemicals, a Hyderabad-based company of the Satyam Group, which has a very bad track record in anything and everything that it has done in business. Now the move by Syngenta to sell the company to Deccan Fine Chemicals will be challenged before the authorities, and this issue will be also taken up in the People's Court. The residents of Khorlim are going to have a special Gram Sabha tomorrow. I've also spoken to the local MLA today, and he is in full consonance that this takeover by Deccan Fine Chemicals should be strongly opposed. Now the sale deed executed by the government with the Syngenta, then as it was known as Siba Gegi, 24th January 1969, where 7,53,840 square meters were given to Siba Gegi for a cost of 1,88,460. Now in that sale deed, there is a very clear condition that from Siba Gegi the property could be only transferred or sold to any subsidiary or associated company of Siba Gegi. Now Deccan Fine Chemicals is in no way connected with Siba or Syngenta, so any sale deed would be illegal. Now that sale deed had also a condition, a very clear condition, that if Siba Gegi planned to sell or transfer the land, the first right to buy back the property would be with the government. That's why the citizens of Khorlim would now demand that government buy back this property from Syngenta now and plan some project for the people, some community project which the panchayat or the Gram Sabha decides what is best for the village of Khorlim.